Many of you were telling us to show our main studio to you. So this is a studio tour, and as you all know that we have major studios in New Delhi, Bengaluru, and many work from home studios of our experts. So we'll start from our main studio. So this is my desk from where the major contents are being created. This is the map, this classic map I have, and I love world tour, so this map represents that. And that is a beautiful lamp you can see over here. It is just to showcase how study is important in our life. And this is a tiny library. We have a plethora of books, you can find it out here. And yes, then you can come to our, before I take you to the main line, here it is some area for workout. This is for workout, tiny workout to make you remain fit in this fight. Now this is the main work area of Knowledgist. It's a tiny fountain. I hope you love it, with some tree and some rock background. And here the team sits, prepares the questions, everything for you. And you know that most of our team members work from home, just to give them peace of mind. And this is the Mac where I sit in the couch and take note of your queries, everything. And this is a tiny balcony with some greenery. Yeah. And this is the living area where I sit and watch a lot of cricket, a lot of game, everything. And you can see, before we go to our live studio, this is our live studio. You can see the badge on air. And yes, this is it. This is our main screen where we teach, the classes go on. And these are Macs. I love using a lot of Mac in our main studio. And here it is the screen where I see what is going on throughout the class. Here it's a big screen to read your chart. This is the live relay takes place. This is the main camera which focuses me. And there are some beautiful words for you, for me as well. Yes, everywhere. And here I challenge the status quo with all my aspirants. And it's a tiny room of monuments and some achievements being figured it out. And that's all. I hope you love Knowledgist.